Hi everyone, meet AI research agents, your new secret weapon for automating data tasks in Google Sheets. What are AI agents? They work seamlessly with Google Sheets to save time and improve accuracy. With such a few clicks, you can set up your AI research agents to do the heavy lifting, whether it's a decision making, whether it's improving your data for the lead generation. How it works: custom formula based, similar to what we use for Google Sheets. We have a third party API connectors. You connect with other providers. Then we have like a simple interface, UI interface to launch this add-on feature. These are the few examples of current AI research agents for Google Sheets. Um, as to OpenAI API models with simple formula generate a lot of decision making when combined with Google Sheets. Extract business details from Google Maps. Then we have like a use API from Million Verifier to instantly verify the emails. Last but not least, get LinkedIn data, um, profile details for data enrichment, whether it's an email or a company address. This tool add-on works similar to Clay AI agents. Let's see what's the Clay agents look like. These are some of the Clay agents which utilize the power of AI decision making and the data. So how does this tool help the market research? So basically, it automates the data collection in Google Sheets. So that saves like 10 plus hours of manual work and providing the accurate market insight instantly. Do I need a coding skills to use it? No, absolutely no. It works with simple Google Sheets formula. Just input your data and the tool does the rest. Please use this website to know more details about this add-on. Thank you.